Hi guys, welcome back to Karamia's Corner. Join me today for a unboxing of Your Creative Studios vintage themed subscription box. So I'm excited to share with you what's in here. This is for the August box. Amanda had sent it to me so I can show you what is in here. We have a little thank you card and it looks like the theme is music. I love that her cards also indicate what the theme might be. Love this paper. It is filled with goodies, so let me just push that box aside. The first item in the box is this adorable vintage looking light bulb sticky notes. That's super cool. I also see a little item here. If you guys have been following me, you guys know I love miniature items. Check this out. It looks like a mini switchblade, and I think this will be perfect for opening snail mail. There's a cute little like keyhole ring here where you can attach it maybe to your keychain. So we have this cute little guy. Let me put that aside. The next piece are a lot of these little note sheets. So it's a notepad and it has different, it looks like we have 4 of each or 5 of each of the designs. So here's one. It has a different themes for the music sheets. I love these. These are super fun to use for junk journaling, collages. Look at this variety. I love the colors as well. Beautiful. We have this. Really nice. That's a really good looking sheet or notepad. She also included some stickers here with some musical notes and numbers, and I can already see myself using this for a collage page. This is really cute. We have, looks like another notepad. Let's see what this looks like. Oh, this is awesome. Look at that. These are actual stickers that you can cut out. Wonderful images here. So you can create layers so you can see that there's a transparency to that sheet that you can use. I think these are stickers. I feel a glossy side here. I'll have to see. Let's have a look at all these fun vintage. Look at that telephone. I love the items that she picks and curates for these boxes. And I love that they have different themes. I love this film with the cameras, some music, and all these fun gadgets. Oh, I love this. This is like a carousel picture holder. That's really cool. Cassette tape. Love it. That's a lot, and you have a full sheet here. Pretty awesome. What else do we have here? She has included some beautiful stamps. We have, let me just pull these out. We have a music sheet, some piano keys, and then we have a saxophone player, a trumpet player, and some musical notes. Look at this adorable, what is this? A little notepad. It has a cute little mushroom. I love that it looks like a little matchbox. How cute! It has some craft paper. They feel like a little bit of wax paper feel to that. A little booklet here. That's too adorable. Love these minis. We also have some washi. Put that washi there. And we also have some paper strips, it looks like. Let's see what these look like. Oh, these are stickers again. So I can see that there are little fold lines here. These are so cool. So this one has like a wine theme to it. It's really neat. We have more washi here, and this time it's in a burgundy color and it has numbers on it. So at the end of this video, I'll be showing a little journal spread using some of these items from Your Creative Studios August subscription box. So here we have, it says cards. Look how cute and how adorable it's been packaged with some twine. This is great for a cover for a junk journal. Really nice. Oh, how I love this. I love the super vintage coloring on all these musical sheets. It's really nice and thin. Here's a little modern piece with Celine Dion. Love that. So I see a lot of Christmas music sheets here as well. Christmas is one of my favorite holidays, so I'll definitely be using that in a Christmas journal layout. And we have some more sheets here. These are 6x6 sheets. And I think these are stickers. There's a little backing here. I'll just have to experiment and see what they are. Really pretty. I love these, how it looks collaged, so you can cut it and use which parts you would like. Look at that. So pretty. Now it's time for some journaling. I have these pages out ready to go. I'm going to be creating a collage layout. I'm going to be playing some music. Enjoy my process video. Here's another look at our journal layout using the August Your Creative Studio subscription box. We have a collage page here. I really love that these are sticker sheets, so I don't have to worry about applying an adhesive. I love also the transparency of these beautiful stickers over here. We created a little flip out here using the sticker sheet, some washi. We have our light bulb sticky note here with another sticker that says Radio Music Oldies. Now this floral sticker is from a previous box that Amanda had sent me. It's a beautiful collection of these wild flowers. And another paper collaging over here. We have our washi, some here on the top, and our musical note stickers, and also some stamping. Hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing of Your Creative Studios August box. If you are interested in finding out more about her vintage subscription boxes, make sure to check out the link in the description box below. Again, thanks for watching Cara Mia's Corner. See you next time. Bye!